Good morning. It's Metal Micah at Metallion Industries, June 16th, 2025, here to kick off your weekly gratitude boost. If you haven't heard, gratitude is a game changer for success in business and in life. Now tell me, where are my grats? Wait, did you hear brats? No, we're not entitled to good things. Maybe you heard grads. Nah, the school of life isn't out yet. Grats. That's my shorthand for gratitude driven people. That's us. Now, let me start the gratitude chain. I'm grateful for colds and flu bugs. You heard me right. I've been hacking around a few weeks, and it reminds me how easy it is to take good health for granted. Thank God for sickness, which makes normalcy feel all the more amazing. Now, for the best part, your turn. Drop a word, a short sentence. What are you grateful for this week? I'll see you again June 23rd. Until then, have a grat week.